So we will continue from part 1. Uh, the text live took around 5 minutes to install. We have another 25 seconds. So text live is going to help us check the uh, LaTeX code. So first we install Studio, then we install full, and then we install extra. So that's how we'll be going about it. So once the full is installed, we will install extra, because otherwise we will get error at a later stage about this one. Now I'm very carefully reading this Ask Ubuntu, although we can also ask ChatGPT. So for most of our errors, we will be using ChatGPT. We will give ChatGPT the error and see if it can give us the solution. If it does not, then we will look at forums and places. Two best forums to study about error. For Ubuntu, it is Ubuntu forum is the #1 option, and then it is Stack Overflow. So we will jump there if we need more. But since I'm doing this too many times, I already know the steps for now. So I'm going to follow this step. So it's going to take a little bit of time. Remember that this whole thing, Text Studio, is like around 5-6 GB. So if you are having a slow connection on your side, it would be better to get a virtual system which is fast. Because imagine 5-6 GB for just Text Studio, then another few GBs, a couple 2-3 GBs for Anaconda. So your whole download in a day would be like 8 to 10 GBs. So be mindful of that. You can use these systems which are set up remotely on faster internet where everything is installed. So that's what we are going to do in this second one. Now let's see how to use ChatGPT for the installation. So if we are using ChatGPT, we will ask how to install Text Studio and all extras and all libraries so that I never get any error. Text Studio for LaTeX. So let's see. No, it's not happy with the questions. So let's ask this one. So we'll copy this one. We'll say what else to run beside this one to get all kind of libraries supporting files, so I never land into compilation error. So with experience, I know I did not make any notes because things are rapidly evolving. But yes, uh, so we install this one. We then install this one. We'll install text maker. We would use these signs to write the equations for IEEE format and Springer format. We will use these pictures, and we will use this LaTeX. So yes, we would be running all of this, only the first block. So one by one we would be running that. Now as far as the system goes, the system has 8 GB RAM, 4 GB of virtual. um, it's core i5, and it's fairly fast. Till now we have downloaded around 4 GB after we started using it in the last maybe 20-30 minutes. So we are downloading, starting with text live, and then after this one we will install all the supporting files for text file, then Zotero, then Git, and then Anaconda. So that's going to be the steps for us.